Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail. Check out this hood right here. This is an oxidized eroding clear coat. So right here, there's no clear. This is just exposed base coat. Over here, you got clear coat, and you got clear coat over here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make that. You're gonna blend it like over here. Look how beautiful this came out over here. So when you use this product, it has no wax, so you don't want to use it like a wax. So let's see, better yet, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this spot right here. Can you see that? Okay, now Lukat Fix It is not a wax, it's a paint cleaner. I'm gonna put this on. What I want you guys to know is look at the towel. Because the clear coat is gone here, I'm working directly on the base coat. So when I put this on, I'm just gonna rub back and forth. Now it's really, really hot today, okay? But you can still do a demo, you can still use this on your paint job, okay? It's better to do it in the shade, but look what's happening. You don't use this like a wax. You don't do circles because there's no shine in this product. This is strictly a cleaner. It's not gonna cut like a regular cutter. It's simply gonna clean the clear coat, and the base coat. Anyways, when you do this, you're cleaning, okay? That's the oxidized toasted base coat. This is the good base coat, okay? The good base coat's gonna be hard. This is not designed to cut through there. Now, this is not the finish. This is designed as a cleaner only. Now, but listen to this. This is 100% clean with no wax, okay? Now, when I clean that spot, you could see, I was working directly on the base coat. Now, right here, there's clear coat. So I'm gonna do a spot right here, and I'm gonna blend them. So you're gonna see a little bit right there, but when they blend, because they refract light, you won't really be able to tell that it's eroding. So I'm gonna put some on here, now this spot here. So again, I'm gonna do this. Now I'm gonna stay right here. I'll close that gap in just a moment, but I wanna show you guys what I'm talking about. The clear coat is intact right here. So you don't want to remove the clear coat, you want to clean the clear coat, okay? Work with what you got. Remember, and guys, a lot of people think this is shine, but it's not. The shine that you see coming out is already there. It's just buried underneath all the contamination and oxidation. These are cleaners designed to clean. So we do this to remove that buildup. Look at that. Okay. No color came out because we're working directly on the clear coat. See that? Look how beautiful that came out. Okay, so right here, this is exposed base coat. Right here, this is exposed, this is clear coat. Now I'm gonna close this gap right here so I can blend them. Okay, so you're gonna see a little bit coming off. But the whole point is to blend it so that they both refract light and you really can't tell that it's eroding. Again, you just go back and forth, no circles. There's no wax in this product. It's strictly a cleaner. That's why it works so dang well. Go back and forth, clean that baby up. Look at that. Now here's the best part. Now I like using microfiber towels to remove the stuff. Don't use microfiber towels to apply it because the microfiber towel is gonna absorb the liquid. That's the wetness in the cleaner that gets into the striations. So use a terry cloth towel to clean with. You can use a microfiber towel to remove it with. Now, I don't know if you guys can see that. You really can't tell. Look at that, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna seal this because the best time to wax and seal your paint is when it's 100% clean. So this cleans it. You use this to remove all this oxidation. Now I'm gonna use this. Now, it is pretty hot today, and I'm gonna show you how hot it is right now. This is crazy. Now, Easy Wax is not a shine and pop wax. This is the wax that'll seal and condition your clear coat. So I'm gonna put this on like this, okay? I'm gonna leave it on there just for a little bit and do a close-up so they can see the bubbles because it's so hot right now, it's sizzling on there, okay? And I just did that to show you guys how hot it is today. You always wanna do it in the shade. Now, I'm putting this on like a regular wax in circles. When you use the cleaner, back and forth strokes, you're cleaning in sections. In the beginning, do small controlled sections until you get your bearings and you understand, you can gauge how much of an area you can do. When you do the wax, you want to rub the wax well into the clear coat and the base coat, and this is going to leave a beautiful glossy seal. Now, when this dries up, it turns into a nice, tough, glossy shell. Easy Wax is a cleaner, conditioner, sealer. So once this dries up, it's going to blend really well. Look at that. This stuff is amazing. I did this in direct sunlight on a hot day. Okay, so here you can you see the reflection of my hand? You get that? Okay, if you look at the reflection of my hand right here, okay, you'll notice when I go over here, it gets glossier. Here it's shiny, and then over here it gets glossier too. I don't know if you guys can pick that up with the camera. You use this to fix the paint. You use this to seal the paint. You want to use these right here because this is going to save you a lot of money. You won't have to repaint your car anytime soon with this. It costs a lot of money to repaint a car. The best solution is always to repaint your car, but if you don't have the money, this is going to save you a ton of money simply by cleaning it. This is going to seal it. Once you repair the paint like this, you're just going to use the wax once, twice, 3 times a year for maintenance. In some cases, you don't even have to do that. I'm gonna tilt it so they can see it better. Look how beautiful that came out. Okay, so again, this is the part that's eroding. These darker spots, that's exposed base coat. This is the clear coat. You're able to blend it. Not all clear coats you can do that with, but if you have one of these paint jobs where it's eroding rather than peeling, you should be able to get the same results. If you've got questions, call us up. Our number's in the About section. If you want to order your kit today, get your kit. Get this one. It's got 2 cleaners and a wax. These are online at lukatdetail.com. This is the kit I recommend because this usually does, like 90% of the time, it'll get the job done. So again, do a close-up so they can see this and see this one over here. Come over here. Look at, focus in on this side. If you look at this side right here, look how ugly that is right there, okay? You can polish the clear coat and the base coat so it looks like this. Come over here. Look how beautiful that looks right here, okay? So, and then take a step back, you don't even notice it because it's refracting the light, okay? You got a paint job where it's hazy like this, come up closer, where it's hazy like this, look how much shine is on there. Remember, we didn't put a shine on here, we cleaned it. This is what they look like when they're clean. Look at this one over here, look how bad that one looks right here. Look how beautiful that came out. Luke can't fix it, get it at lukatdetail.com. You guys got questions, call us. You know, save yourself a ton of money. We just want to share this product with y'all. Save yourself a bunch of money. Anyways, that's good. Hope y'all have a great one. Call us up. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later.